I want to seize this opportunity to express publicly Nigeria's great admiration for the gallant and indomitable people of Algeria, for the bravery and selflessness which they demonstrated throughout the period of their long and historic fight for freedom. The inspiration which their struggles gave to other countries in Africa will never die or abate. Indeed, their epic struggles will forever constitute an imperishable episode in the annals of man's long and arduous march to liberty. The impressive attendance, especially of the heads of state and government at this O.A.U summit, is at once a glowing tribute to the great Algerian people and a measure of the affection which all countries of Africa have for them and their leaders. Let us therefore remain united, and let us do so resolutely, faithfully, and unflinchingly. Mr. President, I thank you.